Hello. So we are going to study some basics of probability in this video, and then we will move ahead with solving those questions. So first of all, let us understand what is probability. Probability is likelihood or chance of an event to occur. So and conditional probability is probability of an event or outcome based on the occurrence of previous event or outcome. So when one event is dependent on other event, that is called conditional probability. The probability of event B after the event A has occurred is called conditional probability of B given A. So we need to remember this line, conditional probability of B given A, when probability of event B after the event A has occurred. So the formula for this is P of B by A is equal to P of A intersection B divided by P of A. Similarly, if we need to find out P of A by B, where probability of A followed by probability of given probability of B, so this will become P of A intersection B divided by P of B. And addition theorem probability says P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. We need to remember this. This is a very important formula. These are the important formulas that we need to remember always. Whenever you need to solve this question, you have to remember this formula. And there is one more thing that I want you to learn is whenever you see the word or, then you have to apply the formula of union. When A or B happens, which means A union B, and whenever you see the word and, you have to understand that you have to apply the formula of A intersection B. This is very important thing that you need to remember whenever you will solve problem. You have to remember these things. And probability is bit easy, but conditional probability can be a bit tricky. Therefore, remembering this formula will help you always. So question number 1 says disc of polycarbonate plastic from a supplier are analyzed for scratch and shock resistance. The result from 129 discs are summarized below, and this is so A denote the event disc has high shock resistant, and B denote the event disc has high scratch resistant. If a disc is selected at random, determine the following probabilities. So we need to find out first of all P of A. So it says it has high shock resistance. So this is our shock resistance column. This is our high shock resistance column. So 62 plus 13, 75 divided by 129. This becomes our probability. Now similarly P of B, B has high scratch resistance. So this is our high scratch resistance row. So 62 plus 14 divided by 76 divided by 129, and this becomes our answer. Now P of A dash is formula for this is 1 minus P of A. You have to remember these formulas. These formulas are very important. So 1 minus 75 divided by 129 is 54 divided by 129. If our A dash means A does not happen. Whenever there is one P A dash, means you have to think that event A has not occurred. So you have to just subtract 1 minus P of A. This is a formula. Similarly, P of A intersection B, you have to find out. So P of A, in order to find out P of A intersection B, we need to find P of A into P of B by A. So first of all, we need to find P of B by A. So here I have calculated P of B by A for you, and formula for P of B by A is P of AB divided by P of A. So P of AB is 62, is like both high shock resistance and high scratch resistance, which is our P of AB. So 62 divided by 129. divided by P of A is 79. So divided by 129 into 75. If you if you divide it by like 175 divided by 129, so this will become our answer. 62 divided by 75. Now so once we know P of B by A, so we can find out P of A intersection B, and this is our answer for P of A intersection B. Now P of A union B. Now the basic addition for basic addition theorem, P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So P of A we have already calculated, P of B we have already calculated, and this will become. Now always remember one thing, none of these values should exceed 1, as probability can never be more than 1. If you are getting answer more than 1, so you are making a mistake. Just check yourself, sum of probability or any probability will never be more than 1. Now let's calculate P of A dash union B. So formula, again applying same formula, P of A dash plus P of B minus P of A dash intersection B. P of A dash we have already calculated, so this is our value, and P of B we already know. Now we need to find of P of A dash intersection B. In order to find P of A dash intersection B, so find P of A and B both, where A and B, this means A happens, A does not happen, but B happens. A does not happen and B happens. You see intersection, so and. So in order to find, first of all what we need to do is subtract P of A minus from this, P of A intersection B. If you subtract P of A from this, you will get answer in negative, but as our probability can never be negative, that's why I have subtracted P of A minus P of A intersection B, and this will become our value, and this is your answer 0.698. If you like round off to two values, so it should come like 0.70, and tell me if I have gone wrong somewhere, if I done wrong, if it is not the answer. In case you have any doubt or queries, please let me know. And one more important thing here is that I use the shortcut to find this P of A dash intersection B. You can always use this formula, P of A dash intersection B divided by P of A dash B divided by P of A dash, and you will again get the same value. So I hope you have understood this, and let me know if you have any query. I will be happy to answer your queries.